Let me show you how I designed a house shaped like a house. Come on. Okay, let's start by establishing the typical silhouette of a house that we all grew up drawing. Okay, so this is our, what I could come up with as the most typical silhouette of a house. Now, let's start to lay this thing out. And the first thought that came to me was to take a look at this chimney, and this side of the house here is one long garage. Watch this. Okay, so that's how this shapes up here. It's a pretty long garage. We could probably fit 3 cars in there if we really wanted to. But here we'd have a driveway connecting to the garage at the front, and we would do one at the back also. And this overhang portion of the plan would be a great spot to have a side entry door, which faces the road. It's safe, secure, and it enters into the middle there where there's lots of room. Let's get the living spaces going. So the kitchen, living room, dining room. So the approach we took here is this recessed area that looked like the door in the floor plan, or as that house elevation, now becomes a long covered porch. We could have 2 entrances from the garage, one directly into this main foyer and one into a mudroom here that would connect to the kitchen. So if you're bringing in groceries or anything like that, you have a good adjacency there. And then when I'm dealing with a really irregular shaped floor plan like this, I like to keep the rooms that are used more often, more regular shapes, square and rectangular, and then throw the weird angles in rooms that aren't occupied as much. So like a mud room, like an entry, a pantry like that. So you can see if we just look at the kitchen, dining room, living area in isolation, it's just one long rectangle. And we're going to apply that same principles into the bedroom like this. So for the bedrooms and bathrooms, we set it up like this. Off the entryway and near the living areas, we've got a 2-piece powder room, which still has privacy. You can't really see into the bathroom. Then down this hallway, we've got a door here with a bedroom that has an ensuite bath. And as one of the viewers, Julie, suggested, the Jack and Jill linen closet, which is kind of a cool idea, 2 bathrooms sharing 1 closet. The adjacent door here leads to the primary bedroom. So it's got a bit of a longer hallway, which is a little bit of privacy, and it kind of isolates the bed area here. We've kept the door to the walk-in closet and to the ensuite onto the side. And again, like I said, all the irregular areas get sort of unique purposes. So the bedroom's rectangular, the walk-in closet's rectangular, the toilet sink area of the ensuite is a little irregular, and then the walk-in shower is quite irregular, but as a walk-in shower, it's still an acceptable shape. So let me clean this up and show you how the final product looks. And let's add some room names. And there we go. It's a pretty quirky shape, and we do these just for fun. It kind of keeps our brains exercising and solving unique problems. It's about a little over 1,800 square feet. This portion here is 50 feet wide. It's about 60 feet deep to that end. So the 1,800 square feet doesn't include the porch or the garage. If you want to see if you want a copy of it or to examine it a little closer, check out our Facebook page at Dory After Dark. I'll put it on the screen here, and you can check it out in more detail.